Even though I don't have the best tools, I still wanted to try making a wooden spoon. The biggest problem was not having a hook knife or a chisel for the bowl part of the spoon, but I figured that I would be able to carve it some other way. The wood I'm using is a fresh piece of a branch that had been cut down. It's great because carving green wood is easier than using dried timber, and the size of this branch is also very suitable for spoon making. This way of carving the bowl obviously doesn't result in a clean finish, which means that sanding is necessary. With proper tools in hand, sanding is not preferable in spoon making since it leaves a rougher surface that is then harder to keep clean.